What's going on, guys? This is Mike. Welcome back to the channel. Living with 3M is the channel name, and I am out here this morning. You can see Legend under the house. Dang, it's about time to clean that roof. Got all these trees getting the black mold and mildew and stuff. I got to get that off the roof. But anyway, that's why I have to cover my boat up. I don't have a carport big enough for the boat, and you know, trees are they cause a lot of problems. So got the boat covered up, but it's springtime here in North Carolina. Actually, it's, what is it, June, the first week in June, and I came up with an idea last night, guys. Okay, I've had the boat for a couple years now, and I've never had a spare tire, okay? So if you guys that have been caught on the side of the road with a flat tire right back here on the trailer, you guys know that how important a spare tire is. So I went and bought a spare tire with the wheel and everything. It's like 160, 170 bucks for the trailer that fits. The one thing I didn't buy was on the frame here somewhere you can buy a mount to put that tire. And I thought, man, it's just, I don't know. On mine, you can see right in here, there's not a lot of room. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you. So, got the cover. Show you guys my boat real quick. You guys can see it's a Carolina skiff. It's a good fishing boat. All right, there is room down here that you can mount it. There's definitely not any room up here on any of this. It's pretty crowded. I see a lot of guys that have room that they mount theirs there. But I've got an idea hit me, and I did a search on the web for something. And yes, guys, this does involve the truck. You can see it sitting right there. You can see Gabriel, the mascot of the channel, right there. All right, so what am I blabbering about this morning? What am I thinking in my little pea brain? What's going on? All right, as many of you guys know, the truck, we have ditched the spare tire on the back because it makes no sense. I've got the large wheels and tires, and carrying around a spare tire on the truck, it makes no sense whatsoever unless I do a large wheel and tire setup for spare. Right now I don't have one, so I have an empty spare tire well under the truck. You see what I'm getting at? I'm thinking of mounting the boat spare tire under the lifted F-150 spare tire well. It's already got its cable and access with the jack that I can just lower it, raise it, and we only tow the boat with the truck. So let's see if this works. All right, so today's video is about mounting the spare tire for the trailer, the boat trailer. As you can see, that's a spare tire that will replace this. Sorry for all these bungees and all. I know it's not the video quality setup for today, guys. I just thought, well, this hit me. This idea just hit me. So, spare tire for the boat. Instead of mounting it on the trailer or carrying it around in the back of the truck, somebody could steal it out of the back. We're going to, let me walk down here. All right. Okay. All right, let me get down on the ground here and show you guys. Oh yeah. Yes, so we have no spare tire. Trailer tire, carrying it under the truck. Man, I'm laying on the ground here thinking I might have to patent this idea. And I know there's gonna be some guys out there that say, well, okay, you remedied the problem with having a boat trailer tire flat and you're carrying that around, but what if you have a truck tire flat? Well, I've got AAA for that, guys. And this is not my daily driver. My truck is not my daily driver. So I can basically not worry about that. So all right, guys, so you take your factory jack equipment, not the jack, but the equipment, and in case you guys have never known, you never accessed that, I think, I'm not sure if, let's see, yep, it is the factory key, and you just remove that all together. Okay, so that gives you access to assemble this pole, put it right through there into the key slot that will lower the chain, or the cable, I'm sorry, not chain, and it will go into there. We will raise that right up. Let's see if this works, guys. I know some people are gonna be like, if they do any work on the truck, they're gonna see that spare tire and say, dude, that thing's not gonna fit your truck. But actually the factory one was not much larger than that. That's a 15-inch wheel, so I think the factory one was an 18-inch, something like that, maybe even a 17, so not that much difference. So compared to these big 35 by 1350s that's on here now, 20 by 12 negative 44 offset wheels, in case you guys are wondering. So yeah, all right, let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is your factory jacks, poles and setup that's usually behind the seat. So you basically just want to put 1-2 poles together with the wide end going through here, and there's a little cone inside here. I'll get up under there and show you guys. TFBJ Ford, my buddy, has already done a spare tire removal video. I've never done one, but just to let you know, if you want to check out his video, it's TFBJ Ford spare tire removal on a lifted truck. But as you can see, I'm going into the funnel, and you have to have that large end. If you do the small end, it won't work. So we're going in there, and it locks in. So now you can turn it basically to lower this, and that little wing nut is gonna go in here. So we're gonna see if this works. It looks like it should. Everything should work. This is gonna be funny if it does. It's gonna be, I've never seen anybody do anything like this on the internet yet. So you heard it here first, guys, with Mike Martin, living with 3M. And once you break that loose, you should be able to just turn it with your fingers. Yeah, see it coming down now. Get it down far enough. shove this back here a little bit. Careful so you don't scratch your wheel up. Basically angle this at the side. Yeah, we'll have to go down a little more. All right. Lift up on the tire. Yep, went straight down in. All right, let's see what happens, guys. All right, it's up. I'm gonna tighten it. Just get it a little tight. You don't want it super tight. You don't want to break anything, but you do want it snug. Remove that assembly. All right. Let me remove the camera from the tripod. All right, let's see. Let's put this back in. Let's see, just like that. All right, guys, there it is. Tight, just like it was made from the factory to go there. Like I said, it's not too much smaller from the factory setup, probably a couple inches, but at the end of the day, nobody can steal my boat trailer tire now. All right, okay, so everything went well. You can see these are the tools I used. Let's lay up under here and look. So now we have a small spare tire that, like I said, people's gonna look at you and say, damn dude, that spare tire is not gonna fit that truck. Well, obviously, but it's not for that. It's for your boat trailer. So you guys, you heard it first here. Mike living with 3M. So if there's any patents or money to be made off of this invention, you know where you heard it first. So nah, I'm just kidding, man. If I can help anybody out, I don't care. I'm not patenting anything, because usually most people want a spare tire on their vehicle that works for the truck or their car, so they won't have this option. So this is just for those lifted truck guys that don't have a spare tire. So it's not very many people will be looking for this, but if it can benefit you, let them know that you heard it here first. Living with 3M. Catch you guys later. Where's my dog?